Hello, welcome to another video, and I'm continuing my little holiday in New Zealand's South Island. I am now in the gorgeous town of Te Anau, and let me just show you around my friend Johno's new place. To Te Anau, it is simply beautiful, and this is my friend Johno's new house. So I'm going to take you inside in a moment, but let's just see the back first. This is a little garden. It's a really big section actually. I'm actually quite surprised that it has a little garden here. This is a lovely little deck. You can sit outside and just enjoy the sunshine, a washing line. This is the whole of the section, his section, which is really huge. I'm loving this whole huge section, but the best bit is coming because, yep, here is a little granny flat. So this is a little house that Johno bought to put at the back, and it has enough for like 2 or 3 people. Yeah, so just a little spare room, I guess. And this is the side of the house. So as you can see, it's really, really big. I'm loving this whole vibe, the mountains are all around you, which is just beautiful. And yeah, so let me take you inside Johno's new house. His new house is on the phone, so I won't talk.
Something like that, yeah. But you're, well, something like, you're coming second, like your growth was like 1.4 million or something. So, I think it's all tributaries here. So, take the credit, girl. Yeah.
So this is my room for the night. We're in here for one night. This is my room. It's actually really warm in here because the sun comes right through here, which is lovely. And this is the bathroom. Hello. And this is the shower here, and the toilets around here. Nicely tucked away. And this is Johno's bedroom, which is absolutely lovely. And of course, Madonna is on the wall. He is a big Madonna fan. And this is his ensuite bathroom. So a really lovely place. And there's heaps of great photographs everywhere. In my room, I've actually got Kylie on my wall. So there's Kylie body language, and there's Cher. So yeah. I miss Kylie here when you walk in. Hello, last day in New Zealand, in Te Anau. Just having some breakfast at the cafe, which is really busy. Let me show you around. Really busy cafe.
Just one hot drink, right?
So if you're ever in the South Island, pay visit to Te Anau, because it's a really nice little spot and it's really quiet and it's really beautiful. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe, that'd be amazing, and I will see you in the next video.